How to reset game progress in Candy Crush Saga. Tap that candy icon and jump into the game. Let's reset your progress. And here's the important note. Candy Crush does not have a direct reset progress button inside the game. Your progress is tied to your King's account or Facebook account. That means we will need a new account to reset everything back to level 1. Tap play. Tap the setting gear icon at top right corner. Tap account and here. Tap my account and log out. Tap log out. This will take you back to the game's home screen. Now tap play as a guest or it will start from level 1. Or if you want a new account, tap create account and use different email address. Also, if you ever want to go back to your old progress, simply log in with your original account. It means your old level will save, and that's it. You just reset your game progress like a Candy Crush Pro. Have a question? Drop them in the comment. Hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick game tips. See you in the next one.